In this video, I'm going to explain how many YouTube TV logins you can have and how sharing your account works, so you can stream without any confusion. First, YouTube TV allows up to 6 accounts per subscription. That means one subscription can support 6 different logins, each with its own personalized library, DVR, and recommendations. Each member can stream live TV, on-demand content, and DVR recordings on their own device without interfering with other users. This is perfect for families or roommates who want to watch different channels at the same time. YouTube TV also allows 3 streams at the same time per subscription. That means, even though you have 6 logins, only 3 devices can stream simultaneously. If you try to watch on a 4th device, you'll get a notification asking you to stop streaming on another device. It's also worth noting that each login can record unlimited shows to the cloud DVR, and recordings are stored as long as your subscription is active. So, to sum it up, you can have 6 different logins on one YouTube TV subscription, each with its own library, but you're limited to 3 streams at the same time. Perfect for sharing with family while keeping everyone's preferences separate. If this video helped you, hit like and subscribe for more YouTube TV tips and tutorials.